How to use hydrogen peroxide in the garden. Did you know that the bottle of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, in your medicine cabinet has benefits other than antiseptic and bleaching ones? Most people don't know that hydrogen peroxide can help you grow a beautiful garden. No fancy fertilizer, no $40 Miracle Grow bottle, just that brown bottle you use for cuts. I didn't believe it either. Until one summer, my plants were dying, I was burnt out, behind on everything, and honestly, just tired of failing at one more thing. Then I tried this, and my garden bounced back. It has different benefits and applications for every phase of growing because of its antimicrobial properties. You can use hydrogen peroxide in your garden for disinfection, boosting plant growth, and repelling unwanted pests. Let me show you exactly how to use hydrogen peroxide in the garden, safely, simply, and without killing anything by accident. Stay with me, the last tip is the one nobody tells you.
Welcome to The Guardian's Choice.
This video will tell you how to disinfecting with hydrogen peroxide, boosting plant growth with hydrogen peroxide, and repelling pests with hydrogen peroxide.
Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips, tricks, and life hacks you don't want to miss.
Method 1. Disinfecting with hydrogen peroxide. Number 1. Clean pots and tools. Spray or wipe a 6 to 9% peroxide solution onto pots or tools you are reusing. You can also dip tools into the solution while you're pruning plants. This can disinfect these items and reduce the risk of contamination from other plants or pathogens. Look for pharmaceutical or food-grade peroxide. You may need to dilute the peroxide before using it. Use caution if you want to use a hydrogen peroxide solution over 10%. This can burn skin and plant tissue. Number 2. Sanitize hydroponic water. Hydroponic plants, which are grown in water, often fall prey to bacteria, root rot, and lack of oxygen. Add 2.5 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide to each liter of hydroponic water. This can kill bacteria and fungi, prevent root rot, and stimulate oxygen circulation. In turn, your hydroponics may flourish. Number 3. Sanitize seeds. Soak new seeds in 3% hydrogen peroxide heated to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After heating, rinse off the seeds under running water for a minute. This can prevent contamination from food-borne illnesses caused by Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. Number 4. Decontaminate growing medium. Soak growing medium, such as sand or soil, in a 3 to 6% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Allow the medium to sit in the mixture overnight. Turn the mixture once or twice to circulate throughout the medium. This can kill bacteria, mold or mildew, worms, and their eggs.
Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.
Method 2. Boosting plant growth with hydrogen peroxide. Number 1. Accelerate seed germination. Once you've placed your disinfected seeds in the growing material, they're ready to sprout or germinate. Add the same 3% mixture to the soil while sowing the seeds. The extra oxygen can promote faster germination and overall health. It can also minimize the risk of fungal or bacterial infections. Use a weak solution of hydrogen peroxide and water to water the plant bed for up to 2 weeks after sowing the seeds. Number 2. Fertilize with hydrogen peroxide. Mix 2 teaspoons hydrogen peroxide per gallon of water for plant food. Spray or pour onto your potted plants and garden every 3 to 5 days or as necessary. This can help maintain healthy soil, allow roots to breathe and plants to take up vital nutrients. Number 3. Promote root development. Mix 1 pint of 3% hydrogen peroxide into a gallon of water. Water the entire plant, soaking the roots thoroughly once every week. This oxygenates the root area, promoting development during any stage of the plant's life. Water root cuttings and bare root plants with this mixture.
Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.
Method 3. Repelling pests with hydrogen peroxide. Number 1. Treat fungal infections. Combine 4 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a pint of water in a spray bottle. Spray this on the leaves and root structures of plants that show signs of fungal infections. These include powdery mildew, rust, and mold. Spray on a small area before applying more generously to larger-scale surfaces. This can prevent chemical burn on your plant tissues. Number 2. Fight bacterial rot. Pour or spray a mixture of peroxide and water with an anti-fungicide, Benamil, onto a plant exhibiting root rot. Saturate the plant so that the mixture flushes out stagnant, dead water and can replace it with fresh, highly oxygenated water. This can stop bacterial infections, including root rot, that often turn fruits, flower buds, bulbs, and tubers to rot into a mush. Dip bulbs and tubers into this mixture when preparing them for storage. It may prevent a bacterial infection. Number 3. Kill weeds. Pour a 10% hydrogen peroxide solution on weeds growing between concrete, flagstone pavers, or brick. Leave the peroxide on the plants to scorch them, and then remove the weeds by hand. This can kill any existing weeds in your garden and may prevent them from returning. It's also a natural weed killer that doesn't use chemicals. Pour the peroxide on in the early morning or late evening to prevent the sun from quickly breaking down the solution. Avoid pouring over weeds that are in pots or plant beds. This may scorch both the weeds and your plants, killing both. Flush any area of your body that comes into contact with this solution immediately with plenty of cold water. Number 4. Repel insects. Combine 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide to 8 ounces of water if your plants are infested by pests. This can dramatically reduce the number of insects in your garden. It can also kill the eggs and larvae of moths and other harmful pests.
Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.
Tips. 1. Use it for oxygenation or disinfection, not nutrition. 2. Stick strictly to recommended dilutions, usually 3%, heavily diluted with water. 3. Use hydrogen peroxide only when there is a clear problem: root rot, fungal infection, sanitation. 4. Wear gloves and eye protection when handling solutions above 3%. Store bottles tightly closed, away from light and heat. Warnings. 1. While hydrogen peroxide may be safe for plants when diluted, there is a risk of damage if the concentration is too high, and some plants may be sensitive even to low amounts of hydrogen peroxide. Directly or indirectly exposing plants to hydrogen peroxide can lead to the oxidation of plant tissues, causing damage to leaves and stems. Additionally, some sensitive plant species may be more prone to damage, so it's essential to research the plants you are using it on or to test the solution on a small area before applying it extensively. 2. Hydrogen peroxide contains no nutrients, no nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. Overusing it instead of real fertilizer can lead to nutrient deficiencies and weak plant growth. 3. Regular use can wipe out beneficial bacteria and fungi that plants depend on, especially in organic or living soil systems. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation and help to understand the benefits of using hydrogen peroxide on your garden. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.